Hello children, this is Himalata. Welcome to another session of Computers Grade 1. In this session, we are going to learn about computer, a smart machine. So what is the today's topic? Computer, a smart machine. You can see someone is dancing. Yes, those are called robots. So these are made out of machines. So today we are going to learn more about machines. Okay, before we learn about the machines, we have to learn two keywords. What are the keywords? Computer. What is the first keyword? Computer. A man-made machine. Computer is a man-made machine. Machine is what? A man-made thing. Computer is a man-made machine and machine is a man-made thing. So let's learn some more machines. Yes, when you look around in your house, you will see many machines which you use every day. They make your work very easy. Yes, yes or no? They make your work very easy. Now let's know more about the machines. What is this? Can you guess? Okay, I'm going to give you some clue. It keeps your things cool. It keeps your food fresh for a longer time. For a longer time, it will keep your food fresh. You're right. This is a refrigerator. What is it? Refrigerator. One more picture. Can you guess? What is this? All the clothes are going off inside and the door got closed? Yes, this is a washing machine. It will wash your clothes. Wash your clothes. So this is called washing machine. So let's see some more machines. What is this? You can watch lots of programs, cartoons. Yes, but I can see some cartoon here. A dolphin is trying to do something. Hmm? And the Pluto got escaped. Okay. So what is this? Can you guess? You can watch programs, cartoons, many things else. You can do it. Yes, this is a television. What is this? This is a mixer. When mama wants to make a cake, okay? When she wants to bake a cake, she will put all the ingredients, sugar, butter, vanilla essence, eggs, and mama will beat it. Okay, so this is called mixer. Now one more machine I'm going to show you. How are you going to cut your nails? Using nail cutter. So nail cutter is also a machine. This is a simple machine. So who made all the machines? Man made all the machines. Now let's learn some features of machines. What all the how your work became easy with the help of these machines we will learn. A machine is a man-made thing. It is used to do special work. For every simple thing, you should not use it. Got it? Even you need to work hard by yourself. You should make your body also get tired. Got it? A machine is a man-made thing. It is used to do special work. It makes our work easier. After these machines have come now, we are all are relaxed. Got it? They are making our work very much easier. It works very fast. More than us, they work very fast. And the machines will never get tired. They'll work. Most machines need fuel to run. If you don't put fuel like petrol or diesel, they will not run. Have you seen your papa taking the car to the petrol bunk and giving fuel to it? Yes? If there is no fuel, they will not run. If I want to sharpen my pencil, I have a blunt pencil. To make my pencil sharpen, children use a small machine. What is that? Sharpener. Yes, you all use sharpener? If your pencil is blunt, to make it sharp, we all use sharpener. Other machines, in the kitchen also you can see one thing, or in the art and craft you can see, and some machines you can see in the park. Let's see what are those. Scissor. Scissor is a simple machine. You use it in the kitchen, art and craft. Whenever is required without the scissors, work cannot be done. All children like to play with this. What is this? Can you guess? Any guesses? Yes. This is a seesaw. Zip. I think all the children know this. Zip. Even this is a machine. And these are the machines which require electricity. If there is no electricity, it will not run. For example, fan. Fan requires electricity, otherwise it will not run. Even train. Can you see the wires hanging on top? Yes, even train requires electricity. Some machines run on petrol and diesel. Can you guess? Yes, you're right. Car. Car requires petrol or diesel to run. Even bus. You all go to school by bus? Yes. Even buses also require fuel. Okay, if there is no fuel, that's it. We can make some machines work. We will make it work itself. What are those machines? Let us think. Oh, this is rickshaw. Yes, this is rickshaw. See how he is pedaling? Unless he pedal, it will not move. This is shoeing machine. Yes, shoeing machine. So it is used to stitch our clothes. It is used to stitch our clothes. Even mask. Nowadays we are all familiar with the masks. All are masks. How they are? With the help of this sewing machine, they are stitched. Computer, a smart machine. Let us see how a computer became smart. This is a computer where you can see a monitor, keyboard, CPU and mouse. Computer is a man-made machine. Who made this? God made? No, God made us. All the human beings are made by God. But computer is made by man. So this is called man-made machine. It needs electricity to work. If there is no power, the computer will off. You require UPS to run it. Understood? So it needs electricity to work. It works very fast and it will never get tired. If we have lots of work, immediately will say, I'm tired, I can't do anymore. But computers will never get tired and they work very fast. And the memory is also very large. They'll never forget anything. It saves our time. Got it? When I make you write plenty of answers, what will happen? You have to write. But in the computer, no, you can save our time also. It can do many things. What are the things it can do? We can do drawing, we can listen to the music, we can have online classes, and we can write letters. Computers that can be carried anywhere. Yeah, there are some computers that can be carried anywhere, it says. What is this? Laptop. What is this? Laptop. This is a laptop. This is palm top. You can keep that palm in your palm. See that palm top. It will occupy only your palm. Wow, see the size of this palm? It will occupy only this place. So this is called palm top. And this is tablet. What is this? Tablet. Now values and life skills. Now you should know. Who do you need to share your feelings when you have any feelings? So do you like to share that with your computer or you need a friend? So you have to think and just write. If you think a computer is needed, why you should write? If you think a friend is needed to share our feelings, you have to write why. Got it? Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next session.